Good morning this Thursday, the 23rd of November. I'm Grady Wolfe, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street's November rally reignited on Wednesday with the key indices closing the session higher ahead of the Thanksgiving Day holiday on Thursday as a decline in bond yields boosted investor sentiment on an equities front, alongside investors remaining optimistic that the US cash rate will be maintained at the Fed's December meeting. The Dow Jones rose 0.5% on Wednesday, the S&P 500 added 0.4%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq rallied 0.5%. Over in Europe, markets closed mostly higher on Wednesday as investors digested the latest FOMC meeting minutes out of the US, alongside several fiscal announcements out of the UK. The Stock 600 rose 0.3%, buoyed by travel and leisure stocks, while oil and gas stocks fell 1.7%. Germany's DAX rose 0.36% on Wednesday, the French CAC added 0.43%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 fell 0.17%. UK Finance Minister Jeremy Hunt announced a tax cut impacting 27 million workers, in addition to new and existing changes to measures, including benefit programs, raising the annual minimum wage, investing in AI, business tax breaks, and more. Despite these favourable measures, the UK's FTSE 100 closed lower on Wednesday. Locally on Wednesday, the ASX fell just 0.07%, taking lead from the US and European sell-offs on Tuesday, weighed down by rate-sensitive sectors locally as the REIT and tech sectors fell 1.53% and 1.13% respectively at the closing bell of the midweek session in Australia. De Grey Mining rose 4.8% after Bell Potter released a broker note responding to positive drill results out of the gold miner on Wednesday. Bell Potter retained its buy rating following positive results out of the company's Hemi Gold project. Lovisa shares also lifted 2% on Wednesday after the fashion jewellery company released a trading update at its AGM, including overall sales up strongly, driven by the company's strong global rollout strategy, with the first store in China on the horizon soon. On the commodities front this morning, oil has dipped 1.45% to trade at $76.65 a barrel after OPEC Plus delayed a meeting to further discuss production cuts to stabilise oil prices. Gold is down almost 0.5% at $1,989 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.73% at $137.50 a tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 65 US cents, 97.86 Japanese yen, 52.45 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPY futures are anticipating the ASX to open Thursday's session down 0.17%, despite the overnight rally on Wall Street. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has reduced the 12-month price target on Brickworks from $28.50 to $27.80 and maintain a buy rating on the leading industrial conglomerate following a first quarter trading update at the company's AGM, including the building products division in Australia and the US remaining resilient and margin improvement across both regions. The reason for the target price decrease is due to Brickworks revising its cap rate of 5.2% and the outlook for further devaluation to come among industrial properties that Bell Potter covers. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Hello World Travel following the formation of a pattern over a period of 20 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $2.44 to the range of $2 to $2.08, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a terrific Thursday, and as always, happy investing.